Welcome to the first video, an introduction to the series APA in 5 minutes. Each of the following videos will break down in 5 minutes or less an important element of APA and citing your sources. Before we jump into specifics in the next several videos, let's talk about the why. Why do professors require you to format your paper and cite your sources? The format allows for a standard that makes it easier to read. Imagine if there were no formatting guidelines. Some students might submit a paper with font that is difficult to read, and the organization might be less clear without the use of headings or paragraph indentions. But even more important than the format is the citations. Why do we cite? We cite sources to indicate that we've done our research, to give credit to the authors of the works we're using, to demonstrate that we are using someone else's ideas, and to avoid plagiarism and accusations of plagiarism. Plagiarism is essentially stealing or copying someone else's words or ideas and acting as though the words and ideas are your own. This is a serious offense that can result in failure on an assignment or a course, or even academic suspension. The following actions are considered plagiarism: turning in someone else's work as your own, copying words or ideas from someone else without giving credit, failing to put a quotation in quotation marks, giving incorrect information about the source of a quotation, changing words but copying the sentence structure of a source without giving credit, and copying so many words or ideas from a source that it makes up the majority of your work, whether you give credit or not. However, most cases of plagiarism can be avoided by citing sources. Simply acknowledging borrowed material and providing information necessary to find that source is usually enough to prevent plagiarism. Now that we've established the why, go ahead and go through the remaining videos for more specifics on how to use APA format and citations effectively.